Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since February 27, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.31. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the lower end of a horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this may signal a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it breaks through the lower trend line at $581.84, it could indicate a strong sell signal, prompting a potential shift in trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 0.409% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 0.141% to 5.21%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of 21.71%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 20.52% and 28.03% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $705.09 and $749.02. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The SPY ETF price fell by 1.6% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, dropping from $594.56 to $585.05. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.29%, with a day low at $584.65 and a day high of $598.01. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.03% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 34 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 73 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $42.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $493.86. Currently, the price is 4.60%, or $28.18, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. United States stock indices, including the S&P 500 ETF, known as SPY, are showing signs of recovery following a period of significant short-term trading volatility. Key players like Nvidia and Snowflake have led pre-market gains, driving a cautiously bullish sentiment as the markets respond to upcoming inflation data and potential new tariffs. Despite recent struggles, such as sharp reversals last week and mixed earnings reports, analysts suggest that the long-term uptrends for the S&P 500 remain intact, indicating a consolidation phase that could set the stage for future growth. Investors are keenly observing catalysts that could instigate significant corrections, as historical patterns show that major shifts typically require specific triggers. This backdrop of recovery, amid cautious optimism, may serve to stabilize SPY in the short term, while any unexpected developments could lead to increased volatility. However, with companies like Lowe's outperforming expectations and the market's overall sentiment starting to improve, the potential for recovery in SPY could bolster investor confidence. That said, its performance will ultimately depend on how the market navigates various economic pressures, including inflation and corporate earnings outlooks, which will impact both short-term price movements and longer-term trajectories in the months ahead. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SPY exchange traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, a general sell signal exists based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at $699.18 and $699.81. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and so far, the ETF has declined by 4.52%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we note short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $584.64, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the fund moved $13.36 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 2.29%. For the past week, the fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.58%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $586.10. If you do not own any shares yet, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $584.64. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there has been no stop-loss established. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of February, we anticipate SPY will open higher by $4.19, starting at $589.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.